What if building wealth wasn't about working harder, but actually letting your spending and money work for you? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carry risk such as price volatility and market risk. So before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, please consider your risk appetite. In today's video, we are going to be checking out Crypto.com, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can actually see how powerful Crypto.com is. Let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the website of Crypto.com. So I'm going to be walking you through the website and showing you how you can actually level up your wealth like I mentioned in the intro of this video. I'm going to be walking you through the website and telling you more about Crypto.com. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, when we scroll down, this is very important. You can get your first 30-day free trial with a click of one button. All you have to do is come right here and say start free trial, and you can have the first 30 days completely for free. And you'll get access to all of the tools immediately. So you'll get access to all of the benefits, all of the tools, literally after clicking this one button. Okay guys, then this is actually really cool because you don't have to go through a whole process to get a free trial or access to all of the benefits and the tools. You literally get it by a click of one button. So let me tell you a bit more about what Crypto.com actually is. So Crypto.com is a financial ecosystem built for growth. Basically, what it does is it combines your savings, your spendings, and your rewards, and it's so accessible whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or even an advanced investor. And they also have different packages. So whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced investor, they have different packages that will definitely suit one of these three entry levels. If we go back up, you can see that they have individuals right here, and they have all of these tools right here, as well as different business options. So even if you're an individual or a business, you can definitely use Crypto.com to level up your wealth today. Guys, trust me, I've been using it for a while and it's amazing. Another great thing that Crypto.com does is they are there to maximize your lifestyle value. So if we scroll down right here, you can see that they have zero trading fees. And another great thing is you can get CRO rewards and you can get up to 6% per purchase. And I'm going to mention the following places where you can actually benefit from this in the real world. So you can even get rebates on Netflix, on Spotify, and you can even get included lounge access, which I think is pretty cool. And I've not seen a crypto platform actually offer this in 2026, which is definitely something that stands out with Crypto.com. So the whole point of Crypto.com is actually to grow your portfolio passively, and you can actually earn 5% APY on your balance in Crypto.com right now. So this is another way of growing your portfolio passively. And if we scroll down, I'm going to show you something as well where you can earn on your transfers, which is something I've never seen actually in a crypto company. So you can get stock and EFT bonuses up to 3% for US users. So when you transfer EFTs or stocks, you can actually get 3% just by doing nothing, just by transferring it and getting that extra bonus, which is something I really like about Crypto.com. And that is something that yet again separates them from the market. Okay, so now you guys have actually seen and I've gone through the website. So this is all. Stop leaving rewards on the table. Start your free trial today and see how easy it is to it feels as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.